Good morning, dear students. Today topic is active and passive voice. So today I will explain how we will convert active in passive voice in all tenses. Okay. So in 8 tenses we will convert active to passive voice in simple present tense and present continuous, present perfect. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टीन्यूस टेंस का हम पैसिव वॉइस नहीं बनाते हैं. नेक्स्ट पास्ट, सिंपल पास्ट, how we will convert active to passive voice in simple past, past continuous and past perfect. Okay, past perfect continuous का हम passive voice नहीं बनाते हैं. Next फ्यूचर, सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस एंड फ्यूचर कॉन्टीन्यूस का भी हम पैसिव वॉइस नहीं बनाते हैं. नेक्स्ट फ्यूचर परफेक्ट, उसका हम एक्टिव टू पैसिव वॉइस बनाते हैं, बट फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कॉन्टीन्यूस टेंस का भी हम पैसिव वॉइस नहीं बनाते. इंग्लिश ग्रामर में इन 4 टेंसेस का हम पैसिव वॉइस में कन्वर्ट नहीं करते हैं. कौन कौन से हुए? फर्स्ट तो है प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टीन्यूस, सेकेंड है पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टीन्यूस, थर्ड है फ्यूचर कॉन्टीन्यूस एंड फोर्थ इज फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कॉन्टीन्यूस. इन 4 टेंसेस का हम एक्टिव से पैसिव वॉइस में कन्वर्ट नहीं करते हैं. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट आई विल एक्सप्लेन इन प्रेजेंट टेंस हाउ वी विल convert in active to passive voice. So in present simple present tense, to converting active to passive voice, first we use 5 steps which I told you earlier. Okay, 5 steps. First is identify, second swap, and third is convert main verb to verb third form, and fourth is add helping verb, and fifth is add preposition. Okay, so step by step we will do the steps. Okay, first step is, if my sentence in active voice is he writes a letter. Okay, if I will convert in passive voice, so first I will use these 5 steps, then I will convert in passive voice. Okay, so first step is identify. First I will identify subject, verb and object. Okay, so how I will identify subject? Yes, I will ask question with who is doing the action. So answer is he. So he is a subject. And what is action perform? It's write. So write, it's a verb. And what's the action perform? A letter. Okay, so a letter, it's an object. Okay, so this is the first step. Okay, next step is swap. Okay, swap, it means subject will convert in object and object will convert in subject. Okay, so my subject is he and my object is a letter. Okay, so second step is swap. So first the place of subject I will write object, a letter I will write here. Okay, and my subject is he, and he I will write here, but in passive voice he will convert in him. Okay, next third step is convert main verb to verb third form. Okay, so my verb is write. So write is the first form, second form wrote, and third form is written. Okay, so I will write here written. Okay, fourth step is add helping verb. So this is present, simple present tense. Okay, so in table I explain in simple present tense which helping verb we will use. So I will write here is. Okay, next fifth step is add preposition. So before the subject, it means where I will write him, before him I will add by preposition. Okay, so these 5 steps I will use, then I will convert in passive voice. Okay, so first he writes a letter. So how I will convert? Yes, a letter, because okay, this is a object and object will convert in subject. So first I will write here a letter, then second is helping verb, a letter, then I will write here subject. Okay, first identify. So my passive voice will be a letter is written by him. Now second is present continuous. Okay, in present continuous tense how we will convert in active to passive voice? Yes, same as active voice sentences, he is writing a letter. Okay, so first step is identify subject, verb and object. Okay, then we will swap. As I told in simple present tense, a letter will come here and he will we will write here and he will convert in him. Okay, next convert main verb to verb third form, write will be written, and fourth step add helping verb. In main important thing in present continuous tense we will use being. Okay, with helping verb we will use being. Okay, in present continuous tense. Next step is add preposition by. Okay, so my sentence will be in passive voice. Active voice sentence is he is writing a letter, and passive voice sentence will be a letter is, yes, with is we will write being. A letter is being written by him. Okay, in continuous tense we will use being. हम being का use करेंगे continuous tense में. Okay, so passive voice क्या हो जाएगा? A letter is being written by him. Okay, so this is a present continuous tense. This is a present perfect tense. In present perfect tense how we will convert active to passive voice? So according to 5 steps we will convert active to passive voice. Okay, so this is an active voice sentence, he has written a letter. Okay, so we will use 5 steps to making passive voice. Okay, first step is identify. What we will identify? Subject, verb and object. So in this sentence what is subject? He is a subject, and verb is has, and a letter it's an object. Second step is swap. A letter we will write here and he will convert in him, and we will write subject here. So a letter it's an object and it's an it is a subject. Okay, then third step is convert main verb to verb third form. So written is a third form, so I will write here written here. Then add helping verb. So helping verb is has, so I have written has here. In perfect tense while making passive voice we will add been, so I have written been here with has. Okay, next step is add preposition. So preposition is by, so we will write by here. Okay, so this is the active voice sentence in present perfect tense. He has written a letter, and passive voice will be a letter has been written by him. So according to this structure we will convert. Object is a letter, I will write here letter, and then helping verb has been, and verb third form helping verb has been, I have written here has been, and then verb third form written, I have written here. Then preposition by, I have written by here. Then subject, I have written subject here. So students, we have learnt present perfect tense, how we will convert in active to passive voice. So today we have learnt simple present tense and present continuous and present perfect tense, how we will convert active to passive voice. So that's all for today, and have a nice day.